The vocabulary word we are exploring now is baking. Baking. Have you ever spent a cozy afternoon in the kitchen, measuring flour and mixing dough? That's the joy of baking. The word baking refers to the process of cooking food using dry heat, usually in an oven. Let's explore what makes baking so special. Meaning of baking. Baking is the act of cooking food, especially bread, pastries, or cakes, using dry heat in an oven. Examples. She enjoys baking cookies on weekends. Baking requires careful measurements. They spent the afternoon baking pies together. Short story. Nina found peace in baking. Whenever life felt chaotic, she turned to her mixing bowls. One rainy evening, she decided to bake banana bread. The rhythmic stirring and gentle aroma calmed her. As the bread baked, memories of her grandmother teaching her to bake filled her heart. When she pulled it from the oven, golden and warm, it felt like a hug from the past. Sharing it with her roommate, Nina smiled. Baking, she realized, wasn't just about food, it was about tradition, love, and the comfort of creating something with care.